Wisconsin Oven offers a manually operated horizontal quench system, where the operator pulls the load out of the oven and onto the quench elevator using a hook. The quench delay time is recorded and enforced using sensors to detect the start and end of the quench operation, and to stop the process if the quench delay time expires. This offers the low cost of a manual system, while ensuring there are no improperly processed parts. The system provides a 15-second quench delay from when the door begins to open until the load is fully submerged in the tank. Some notable features of this design include a pneumatically actuated quench tank lift, foldable unload wheel rails as a space-saving feature, remote push-button control of the quench tank lift, combination-style airflow, guaranteed heat-up of parts from 70 to 1050 degrees Fahrenheit in 60 minutes or less. For more information on Wisconsin Oven's horizontal quench systems, visit www.wisoven.com.